Hallo, Cymra hashiv anju is Misha Joseph agus falcha gu Gaelic le Joseph. Anju ha I pla. Ha I pla anju anam fastlich. Anje va fliuch anje. Va fliuch anje ach ha I pla anju anam fastlich. Today, I want to explain something about adjectives. Now, when we see Gaelic written, it never looks the same as it is pronounced. And that's because we try to see the writing using our English eyes, but Gaelic letters are very different. Let me give you an example. Ha Eilidh arst. Ha Eilidh arst. This simply means Eilidh is tall. And as you know already, in Gaelic, we put the verb to be first. Ha Eilidh arst. Eilidh is tall. Let's add a little bit more. Ha Eilidh arst. Agus. Ha I. A cluich. Ball-basgaid. Ha I a cluich. Ball-basgaid. She plays basketball. Ha I, remember she's a woman. Ha I ball, which is ball, basgaid, which is basket. Let's put the whole thing together. Ha Eilidh arst. Agus ha I a cluich. Ball-basgaid. It's really quite easy. Remember, with verbs, a going, a doing, a sitting is the most common way to write in Gaelic. We use the continuous a lot. One more time. Ha Eilidh arst. Ha Eilidh arst. Agus ha I a cluich. Ball-basgaid. Now, arst is simply written A-R-D, so it doesn't look anything like the way it sounds according to the English rules. And in the north of the UK, in Ireland and Scotland, we see many places and house names like Ardgowan, but that's not the correct pronunciation. It's actually arst. Ha Eilidh arst. Agus ha I a cluich. Ball-basgaid. And there we are. Eilidh's tall and she plays basketball. Well, that's what she should be doing. That's what we should do with her if she's tall. Get her to play basketball because she would be good at that, or netball, one of these things. And that's it. I hope you found this helpful. So remember, it doesn't always sound like it's written. It's always a problem that in Gaelic, so it's really important that you hear. So here we had arst for tall, and we also had ball-basgaid, which again ends in AID, so it's a little bit confusing. Okay, that's it from me. Shiri and Drazda.